There's Miso the tuxedo in bow tie so fine, spinning in circles, his paws in a line. And Luna, the fluff ball with stars in her eyes, leaping so high she nearly touches the skies. Pepper the tabby does breakdance spins, while Coco the calico sways with her kin. Even old Mr. Whiskers, Mr. Whiskers, who naps all day long, taps one slow paw to the night's sweet song. The crickets play violins, soft and sweet. The owls hum along with a deep, steady. No humans allowed, this is Kitten Delight, a magical disco that lasts through the night. But when dawn's first light starts to creep, the kittens all yawn and curl up to sleep. Their paws still twitching, their dreams full of cheer, for tomorrow night, the disco's still here.